Welcome to Serving Healthy. In today's video, we are making not chicken tacos with mushrooms. In this video, I'm using trumpet mushrooms. Please read the instructions in the recipe if you are using a different variety of mushroom. Begin by slicing the bottoms off of the mushrooms and separating the mushrooms if necessary. And then use a fork to shred the mushrooms. You can use the fork to press on the top crown of the mushroom to break it apart if desired. Once the mushrooms are shredded or sliced, if you're using a different type of mushroom, heat a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of canola oil to the hot pan if you are using oil. If you are not using oil, add the mushrooms to the pan and then add 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth. Add the seasonings and stir the mushrooms. Let the mushrooms cook for a minute or two and then add the diced onion and minced garlic and stir or toss to combine. Continue cooking the mushrooms for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the mushrooms are cooked, remove them from the heat and set aside while preparing the tortillas. To prepare the tortillas, heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Rinse the tortillas under cold water. Place a tortilla in the hot pan and let cook for 1 to 2 minutes on the first side or until the tortilla starts to blister and bubble. Flip the tortilla and cook for another minute or two on the second side. Once the tortillas are cooked, place the cooked mushrooms in the center of the warm tortilla and garnish as desired. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our videos.